How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So let's dive in. So there could be a reason that your internet connection is disrupted. You have to just open your control center by dragging this top right corner to the bottom, and then you have to turn on the airplane mode and then turn it back off, and now it's just going to fix the problem. And if it still persists, you can just go and delete the Facebook app. Long press on it and then click remove app and then click delete app. Once you delete the app from your phone, you have to go to the app store, and here you have to just search for Facebook in this bar, and it's going to open the Facebook app over here, and you have to just click this app and then download it again, and that's going to fix the problem. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.